Rustic friends, it's Wednesday. I'm a little off schedule this week, but we are in Menomonee Falls. It's a gorgeous fall day, and it's time to go get our thrift done. Today I continue to look for fall home decor, everyday home decor, artwork, and things I can upcycle to sell in my shop in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin. These little white barcodes are Goodwill's products they bring into the store now. Some of it's cute, but I don't really usually find too much that I have to have. Jumping into the art section because that's been a huge seller for me, both the art that I thrift and things that I make with decoupage paper and paint. This is also a great place to find craft supplies, like really good frames that just need a new paint and some decoupage paper or transfers, molds, stuff like that. These little construction pieces pair perfectly with the dresser and nightstand I just finished in my kid area. All I need now is a little kiddo to love them. I've even got a dump truck and a construction hat that all go with it. I picked up quite a bit of canvases today, and some of them have already sold. I love decorating my kid area with these really fun canvases. I've had this funny saying before, and it's sold the next day. So did this Brooklyn Bridge one. This sold over the weekend, and the rest of it I think is still available as of this video. I don't know that this is old or precious, but I do think that it was worth the couple of bucks that I got it for, and we'll turn it into a plant stand eventually. If you can't tell, I'm filming this sick. It's been a rough week for me at Rustic Rehabs, so I appreciate your kind comments and support of my business more than ever. It really does take a village, as the shop has been filling in for me as I recover from being sick. This arrow will definitely get upcycled some point in the future. I love these little dinosaur cutouts. I've had them in the past. They're just from Hobby Lobby, but I've done a dinosaur dresser and really gone gonzo. This time I'm going to leave them for somebody else. Trying to avoid picking the dinosaurs. What is this? Okay, this is only a couple of bucks. I think we'll give it a paint job or do something creative with it at some point in the future. Love this little jewelry box for kids. I'm not sure if I'll do anything but clean it up. These make perfect pumpkin pedestals. I have not had a chance to work on them, but I will keep you posted. Look at this cute clock. I've been keeping a battery in my purse so that I can test them on the spot. How cute is this little modern one? One of the hands is a little bit bent, but I still think it's adorable, so we picked it up. I did not pick this up, but if anybody knows anything about it, drop me a comment. My youngest daughter absolutely loved My Little Pony. I might have to keep my eyeballs open for this if it goes half price. This is Fluttershy, in case you don't know. Would you have picked either of these? This elephant looks pretty fancy, but I left him for someone else. Check out that little girl up on the left giving me the side eye. Those were so popular in the 80s. Did you have any of those little kid figurines with the big eyes? They were usually probably about 10 or 11 inches tall. My mom definitely, I think, still has some. I like to dress up for downtown trick or treat every year. This is definitely a classic with the Joker, but the most I'm going to do is hold it next to me. For all I know, this is what got me sick. This is giving me total Christmas vibes, but I am going to wait on it and see if I still see it again next week. I absolutely love the Charlie Brown Christmas episode, but these guys just did not sound enough like them for me to get this.
Sure, Charlie Brown. I can tell you what Christmas is all about. And there were in the same country shepherds.
I mean, maybe I should have grabbed it. It was $7. It had batteries. It was working. It was clean. What would you have done? I should tell you, every year I do a huge Christmas display of all vintage Santas, and I scored 2 really good sets this week at a rummage sale. Although we're looking at Christmas, we've got new Halloween make and takes to offer. These wood cutouts are perfect for your kiddos to do while you shop in the store, and they are only 10 or 12 bucks each. We give you everything you need. All you provide is the creativity. You can drop in anytime we're open and make these, and we will see you in the shop for it soon. It's so fun. The eyes are supposed to glow in the dark. Here's a peek at my cart. I ended up putting the big wire thing back. So I spent $108 and I think I got some good stuff. Some of it's already sold. What do you think? What was your favorite this week? Thanks so much, and I will see you next time. I'll leave you with a few pics of things we added to the shop, things staged up this week. As always, you can shop rusticrehabs.com. Most things ship. Some things are too expensive to ship or too fragile. Thanks so much for supporting this business by giving a comment, a like, a heart, and subscribing and following. You really help without spending a single nickel. Thank you so very much, and take good care.